Hi, this is John with ATI, and I just recently got in my apartment into a newer one, and me and my little dog Noah, we're just staying in here most of the day as I work from home, and the odors and like maybe just having your little dog with you all the time can create some smell. But this is where this Febreze air pet odor fighter just comes into place, and I'm gonna tell you what I like about this. First of all, this is water based. It's just, for me, it gives me such a peace of mind that not any weird chemicals maybe could make the skin of my little dog is gonna make some harm. And how effective it is, and just like in my case, to eliminate all these odors that it just stays in the apartment. And every time that I might be inviting somebody in here, I'm not gonna be scared like, ooh, the car just smells, or the house smells a little bit funky, or in my car too, because I would have to use this in my car as it stays closed all the time. Using this, it's just gonna fight the odor really good while giving a nice scent. So this was John with ATI, and that was my point of view.